What I wish I knew at the start of my project management journey. How easy and powerful Primavera P6 could be with the right training. At TimCAD BD, we're here to help you master Oracle Primavera P6, the ultimate tool for managing projects of any size. Our comprehensive training covers everything from basic navigation to advanced techniques. Learn to create and manage projects, develop schedules, and allocate resources efficiently. Whether you're tracking progress or handling complex scenarios, we've got you covered. Join our online live training sessions and stand out in the competitive field of project management. For more details, call or WhatsApp us at +8801 712245 Subscribe for more tutorials and updates. See you in the next video.